Well, we're here today at 41 Bruce Road. There are people absolutely everywhere coming into this auction. The whole street is full. We've had over 50 groups inspect the home during the course of the campaign, and over 20 Section 32s have been sent out and people replied back. It's been magnificently run by the office, and I'm really excited to get this one underway. Let's go and have a look. There is a huge amount of potential available to this property, ladies and gentlemen, and it is all yours for the taking. I'm calling for an opening bid now, anywhere at all you like. Can I see a start for 41 Bruce Road, Mount Martha? 750 I have, and where do we go? 750,000 now in the front on the left-hand side. 790 I have now, first call, can I say, at 800, coming with me for 10, good opportunity. 50 I have, first call at 850,000 now. At 880 I have here on the right-hand side, first, second, third, and final call at 880,000 for 41 Bruce Road, at 905,000 for 41 Bruce Road, Mount Martha. The opportunity is before you for one more, sir, can I say. This property is selling. It's selling, all done and silent. Sir, are you absolutely certain? At 905, sir, congratulations. This property is sold for 905,000. Well, guys, I'm here with the successful purchaser of 41 Bruce Road. David, congratulations. How are you feeling?
Yeah, great. It was good to get the win and to buy the place. So looking forward to moving in the near future.
Beautiful. Congratulations on your purchase, and I hope you enjoy your time on the peninsula.
Thank you, mate. Thank you so much.
It was a very good experience with the Rain and Horn, yes.
Yeah, they're very good people.
Yes, I recommend them to anyone.
Well, guys, another successful Rain and Horn Rosebud auction. We got off to a flying start. We had over 30 bids, 2 parties, surpassing the reserve and selling at 905,000. Purchasers have bought a dream. The vendors are so happy. We're really pleased to have been able to help both parties. If you need another successful auction on the peninsula, call Rain and Horn Rosebud.